morning to everyone present here. I am Martin and he is Karthik. We are from Kings and Queens Residential School, Arakolam. In the current scenario, we hear that water is being wasted in many resources. 89% of the water is being wasted in tank overflows. So we have taken an initiative to control that water wastage effectively by our project Smart Water Flow Controller. Now let's see a demo.
Now you can see the pump pumping the water, and when the water fills to this level, this corresponding LED indicates that the level of water is to that, and when the water level comes to this, you can see the LED indicating, and as the water level increases, the corresponding indicates, and when it comes to this level, this buzzer triggers a noise so that the person can come and switch off the motor. If not, when it comes here, this motor starts rotating. It turns off the circuit of this pump and then turns off the circuit of its own, so that the water will also be saved and the current will also be saved. Now you can see the two LEDs indicating. Now the third one. Now you can hear the buzzer triggering a noise. Now you can see that the circuits of this pump and the circuit of this motor has been opened, and now the water has stopped and the current will also be saved.
Now let's see the working of this project. As the water level increases in the tank, we have set some nuts here. Here this final one is it is connected to the positive end of the battery, and this first level is set to the LED of this first LED, and second one to the second LED, and third one to the third LED, and the fourth one to the buzzer, and the last one to this water. As the water level increases, first when it comes to this level, the first LED will glow, and when it comes to this level, the second LED, in this level the third LED will glow, this level the buzzer will give a noise, and when it comes to this level, the motor will off. Now here we have that motor which pumps the water to this tank. When this motor, this is the pump circuit. When first it turns open the pump circuit so that the water will stop coming from the tank. So when it turns open its own circuit, and this motor will stop itself. Here we have connected a transistor. This is to multiply the current which is coming to the motor. As the water is a resistor, the current flowing through water will not come fully. So when we have connected this transistor, so it will multiply the current which is needed by the motor, so that the motor can rotate and turn off the pump. Now we will see the applications of this project. This project can be used in farms and homes and water industries, and the future scope of our project is here we have used this mechanism. It may be dangerous to the people, so in future we are planning to have an MCB which will be more effective in saving water. Thank you.